What are the main differences between this CAPS exam and OPERA exam?
So as I told you earlier, it was CAPS exam until conducted by the Australian Pharmacy Council until December 2024. And then starting from January 1st, 2025, it was replaced with OPERA exam. So it was a part of raising the standards of pharmacy profession in Australia. So the main differences lies in both the exam scoring as well as the exam paper. So when it comes to the CAPS exam, it had two exam papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, we had 2 subjects, and in paper 2, we have 2 subjects. And for scoring the marks for CAPS examination, so in each paper, you have to score 50% individually in each subject. So for the first paper, you have to qualify with you have to score 50% in the subject 1 and subject 2 in paper 1 itself, and similarly in the paper 2 as well. And then for passing the CAPS exam, you have to qualify in both paper 1 and paper 2. For the OPERA exam, for the exam question paper, it is like 120 questions in a single stretch. You have to finish it within a time limit of 2.5 hours. Okay. And as I told you, it is 120 question papers in a single question paper. There is no other differentiation with the question paper. Okay. And then with the scoring, as I told you about the CAPS exam scoring earlier, the OPERA exam scoring is little bit difficult, like when it is compared to CAPS, because there are 90% scoring questions in the OPERA exam and 10% unscoring questions. Well, we doesn't know that which one is a scoring question or which one is an unscoring question. And these unscoring questions are mainly used for studying or for getting the candidates' ability to calibrate or test their assessment for checking with the questions or therapeutic ability.